November, which means just one thing. It's time to turn on the Christmas lights here at Woking Shopping. I'm back again for this fantastic annual event, which sees a whole host of local schools, dance groups and performers come together at the heart of the community. Also, not forgetting the highly anticipated celebrity who officially kickstarts Christmas by pushing the big red button. Follow me whilst we go and explore Woking Shopping's fantastic festivities.
Brendan Cole! Hello Woking! Nice to see you, nice to be upstaged by a polar bear.
Merry Christmas, boys and girls! Welcome to Woking Shopping Centre.
Hello, Brendan Cole here, and Merry Christmas from Woking Shopping.
Christmas is here, yet again another show-stopping event right here in the heart of Woking, bringing thousands of people together from the local area and beyond to welcome in the countdown to Christmas. We've had appearances from Summer Scales, a festive kettle band, an adorable polar bear, the man in red himself, Santa, our festive elves, and not forgetting this year's star of the new Victoria Theatre's Panto and one of the best ballroom dancers, Brendan Cole. Don't forget that Woking Shopping really is your #1 destination for all things Christmas. With our range of 150 stores, a selection of family-focused restaurants and a host of free entertainment during the festive season, where else would you go? Remember to share this video with your friends and family by subscribing to our YouTube channel and via Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. We'll all keep you up to date on everything Woking Shopping. Wishing you a very Merry Christmas. I'll see you in 2020.